So hello everyone and welcome to the demo number 4 of our Spring Boot series. In the last demo, we explored debugging and breakpoint. We learned how to find and fix problem of our code by stepping through line by line. Now we are going one step further. Debugging helps us to find problems, but what happens when an error occurs in production? We don't want our user to see ugly messages, error messages, or full stack tree. That's unprofessional and not secure. That's where expectation handle comes in this demo. We'll learn how to handle exceptions in Spring Boot using custom exception, global exception handlers, and clean JSON error message format. We will go through step by step, starting with bad examples so we can appreciate the improvement later. So first we need to open our HTS4. Project test demo. We first need to create different classes for controller expectation package, different packages for expectation handling and controller. So we need to create three packages, one for controller package, one DTO package which we have already created in last demo, and another one expectation handling package. So let's create right click on one of the packages, go to new and package. So from here we will create the controller package. Also let's create the exception handler. So now you can see we have four packages. The main our demo test package, controller package, DTO package, and exception package. So this structure makes our project cleaner. So when you work with the team, this kind of organizable structure is essential. Now I will first show you a built-in exception error. So let's get started with test controller package. We will create a new class in it, which we will name that class math controller. So I will copy paste a simple code. So as you can see, this is a simple divide code. This basically divides two values a and b. So we will run this code in the Postman, and we will do 10 divided by 0, so which is an arithmetic error, and we will see how the error occurs. So first let's do a clean package before going further. After clean package, let's do spring maven boot run command hyphen boot run. So let's first test this in Postman. So inside Postman we need to type the URL http colon slash slash localhost colon our port number 8081 slash our path main path math and our subpath divide. So after doing that, we need to give two values for a and b. For that, go here inside farms, type a and give value a 10, b and the b value is 0. So you can see the URL in this way: http colon slash slash localhost 8080 math divide question mark a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 0. So this should give our an arithmetic expectation error. So let's send this. So currently we are getting a 404 error, which is a server error. So we have done something wrong in our code. So basically what happened is all these new packages that we created have not been had not been picked up by the Spring. So Spring only picks up the code, the functions which are in this uh, test demo application Java, which package has this at that Spring Boot annotation. So we can see this package doesn't have that. So it will only uh, run the code inside this package like user control. So for that we need to give an extra annotation here under our main class @scan component scan. So write it in this way: base packages is equal to curly bracket. Now inside this curly bracket we need to write all the new packages we created. In this way the Spring will also pick up this packages and run the code inside it. So write the all the new packages com.example.test.controller. Write this and this package also com dot example dot test dot dto. Finally, com dot example dot test dot exception exception. So after writing this, our code should work fine. Let's save this, terminate this process and run again. So let's try in Postman. We will send the same URL. So after making sure that you have added all the packages in the components component span and your math controller is correct, we will go to Postman and type the URL http and we will send this. As you can see, we got a error 500. So basically this says it is a internal server error, but it is basically a arithmetic error. We will open Spring Boot and scroll to our console, and scrolling through, we can see here Java lang arithmetic divide by zero error. So it is basically a divide by zero error, but in Postman it shows internal server error. So it can be confusing for uh, user endpoint. So it's not user friendly. The user will think that it is a server error. So we need to fix this. For this, we will add a create a custom expectation. Now let's make our own custom expectation. In our class, in our package test expectation, we will create a new class, and we will name this class resource not found expectation. So after creating this class, we will upload this code for the expectation error. Should be inside your new class resource not found exception, public resource not found exception string message. So this is called a custom expression. We'll use it to signal that something was not found or not valid. So now in our math controller, we need to point this in our math controller. So we need to modify this code like this. If b is equal to 0, so through new, and we need to name our resource not found class here. Inside we need to print cannot divide by 0. Now save this. So after this throwing resource not found exception, let's run again it in Spring Boot. So we are getting the same 500 error because of 0 at B place. But in Spring Boot, now we should get a clear cut cannot divide by 0 error. So we can again see this long error, but this proves our custom expression work. The output is not nice, so let's fix this with global expectation handler. So to make the output of error more fixed, uh, we will first need to create an error response class in the DTO package. So right click on the DTO package and make a new class, error response. So we will make this error response class in DTO package to format our error output. We will get this error output code with getter setters. Now instead of running plain strings, we will return object of this type which Spring Boot will automatically convert to JSON. Uh, for that, in an expression package, I'll create a global expression handler uh, class. We will name this global expression handler. Now we will get the code for this class. We will terminate the process and run our code. So after running our code, now we should get a clear cut error message in our Postman. So we will type the URL. So that was all for this demo. In this demo, how we seen how to create custom expectation, how to use the global expectation handler, how to send clear JSON error response, and how to handle both built-in and custom error. So thank you for watching this demo.